Hi everyone, Natasha here and around my home today. Welcome back to the kitchen and welcome to Friday. We've made it through, yay! It's amazing. We got through the last full week of Christmas planning of our super cruising missions, getting ready for Christmas next week. So hopefully you've had a good week and you've been checking those last few things off of your lists and going through your holiday control journal and making sure everything's taken care of. So it is Friday, it is December 20th, I think, yes. And we are on to our last super cruising mission. So it's mission number 15. And guess what it is? You're gonna love it. So the Fly Lady sends us a pamper mission today. So she wants you to get a cozy drink and for 15 minutes, just sit and enjoy, maybe read a book, do some knitting or crocheting if you enjoy that, watch a favorite movie or show, maybe just sit with your child and read a book, do just whatever you want to really pamper yourself and enjoy the season. So my daughter and my husband are both home today, so we actually have been enjoying just a nice day so far. I've slept in and I think we had just something easy for breakfast, cereal or oatmeal, and you know, it's just been a good day. It's nice to know we don't have anywhere we have to be. We don't have any shopping we have to do. We're just going to take it easy. Tomorrow we have a gathering at my mom's house, so we'll have that to look forward to and kind of get ready for, but really there isn't a whole lot more left to do. So I think what my daughter and I might tackle today, if she's up for it, and don't forget she's 5, so it's one of those things I never quite know, but if she feels like helping me do some baking, I found a recipe for pumpkin, what was it called? Like a pumpkin roll, kind of like a cinnamon roll, but the filling had some pumpkin puree in it as well, and then the pumpkin spices. And I thought it might be fun to try that and get that baked up, and then we could always, you know, snack on that or have that as our, actually if it turns out well, I'd like to have it as our breakfast or part of our breakfast on Christmas morning, because I would love to have something like that that's, you know, maybe I just get up early, throw it in the oven and let it bake. I think it has to bake for 45 minutes or something, but and then, you know, while our coffee's brewing, we can enjoy that and enjoy opening gifts and having that to munch on. So we'll see. That might be in the cards for us today, or if it's not, then you know what I have as a backup. If you have an Aldi near you, they have, at the holidays, they have a Christmas tree shaped chocolate chip brioche pull-apart bread, and for the last few years that's been one of our favorite little staple items to have Christmas morning, and I have one in the freezer, so if you see one, grab one. They freeze just fine, and I usually get it out the night before and just set it on the counter, and then it's waiting for us in the morning. So that will be delicious. If the pumpkin roll doesn't happen, we'll have that too, which will be just fine. So thank you so much for joining me. Can you believe we've gone through all of these missions, the holiday cruising missions and now the super cruising missions? And hopefully it's helped you. I know it's helped me. It's given me some encouragement. When things were getting really hectic and crazy, I just kept thinking, just do this one little thing, or even if I don't do it, it'll be okay. There'll be more on the list tomorrow that I can just try and get that done. And it's okay. You know, it all happened, and however it came down, here we are. We made it this far. So I'm getting excited for the new year. I hope you are as well. 2019 has been, it's been a year. It's been full of all kinds of wonderful things, some challenges and learning opportunities, just like every year. So I'm just excited for the new year. It's always fun to see what's going to happen next year. It's amazing to think that we're into, you know, 2020 now, a whole new decade. I remember being in grade school and thinking that these, you know, dates and these years just sounded so far away, and, you know, what would the world be like then? And, well, it's not a whole lot different. I'm just older. So, all right. Thanks again, guys. I hope you have a very Merry Christmas, a wonderful New Year. Stay safe, stay happy, stay well. Enjoy your family, enjoy your friends, enjoy the downtime and the time to just reflect and rest and renew. So, and happy winter solstice. I think that's today or tomorrow. That's coming up too. So soon we'll have lighter days and brighter mornings and brighter evenings, and all will be well. So thanks again for joining me. I look forward to seeing you for our cleanup missions here in just a little bit, and otherwise I will see you when I see you. So Merry Christmas, and I'll see you then. Bye-bye.